There's been much talk of RP1, but here's a reminder of what it is, what it's designed to achieve, and importantly, how's testing going. The amount of digital screen sizes is ever changing, with hundreds of screen sizes now in the market. RP1 is a fully responsive, fresh design, with the aim to meet these screen size challenges. Responsive design means the system detects the screen size of your device and changes the layout to match. It means users should get a great experience on PC, laptop, tablet and mobile. No more trying to expand those tiny tables on a mobile screen. And text size really matters for our older users. This is where concept testing and usability testing is playing a vital role. A year ago we were concept testing our early designs. Thinking included some bold visions of a radically different homepage, generally these strongly divided opinion. And in usability testing, we asked users to identify the most important tasks they did each time they came to the site, and asked them to try out these tasks using some early designs. This allowed us to see where potential disruption might lie for existing users, and threw up the biggest red flag: don't obstruct me getting to race cards. Disrupt that and we disrupt 95% of our audience on day one. As a result, we've spent real care on making sure the major journeys don't disrupt audiences' existing behaviour, and where possible tried to make improvements. Now that RP1 is largely built, we can start to see it come to life, and more importantly start to retest with more usability testing to check we're on the right track and build confidence that we can achieve a smooth launch. So, we've been back in the lab in the last few weeks testing all the race cards, results and data pages, and 3 key findings stood out. Number 1, overall the beta site was very positively received. It's far and away a better product than what's currently available, said one tester. Participants often said it was cleaner and more clearly laid out. Number 2, there were no major UX issues with the key journeys. The key journeys between homepage, cards, horse profiles and results were easy to complete, and users picked up on the improvements and elements of new data, which they really liked. And number 3, participants reacted positively to using the site on a smartphone. The experience of web on mobile was felt much easier to use than the current site. It's pretty awful right now, and produced some very surprised and delighted customers who actively told us they'd use the site more on their mobile devices and loved the improved usability and the depth of data on mobile and tablet. Happy days. This has generated vital feedback for fine-tuning the designs, which we're now working on and will retest. We've just finished testing editorial content. In June, we're testing the betting journey on mobile and tablet, and in July we are recruiting a specialist group from the bloodstock industry to test updates to sales, stallion book and bloodstock content in general on RP1. The aim is to have, as one tester from our last session said, common sense upgrades for launch. Basically, no surprises. Finally, it helps give vital insight to marketing teams so they can use the feedback and reactions to help plan the communication and launch campaign, update subscriptions marketing, and to brief customer services teams. So we're now moving into planned monthly releases. July will see Ultimate members and Bet Insight users on beta. August will start the graduated public launch and migration to beta ahead of going fully live in September. Just remember, no surprises is a big success.